Hi, I'm Scott Milne from National Energy Technologies. We introduce and educate facility owners on advanced conservation strategies. In this short video, I'll be describing our comprehensive approach to reduce the cost of walk-in or drive-in refrigeration. We utilize door closers, high-quality temperature curtains, cool LED lighting, and 3 advanced technologies that are able to dramatically affect the cost of refrigeration. The first is a high-quality compressor oil that will protect the system, increase heat exchange, and reduce the running amps. This product is the EcoCube. It's a food temperature simulator that will encase the thermostat probe and prevent short cycling of the compressor. It's like having your thermostat probe inside of food. But our demonstration today is about this product. It's called Filtirite. Filtirite is a proprietary mineral that will absorb moisture, ethylene gas, odor, mold spores, fungal spores, bacteria, and other harmful items at cold temperatures. It gets replaced once a month with a new packet. The removal of moisture is really very important. The compressor will simply run less. The temperatures will drop a little. Soaked wall insulation will dry out. And expensive defrost cycles can be reduced dramatically because this will remove the moisture in a passive way. What we hope to do today is show its ability to protect food. We're going to put our Filtirite into this container along with these flowers, because Filtirite will preserve flowers. They'll smell longer for better, and they'll certainly last longer after they're cut. And then we're going to also put in these identical plates of food. This food came from the same containers, the same head of lettuce. And what we're going to do is seal these crates, and we'll come back to them in 2 weeks. In that time, the ethylene gas will have time to work its magic. So if food quality and freshness is important to you, I'll see you back here in 2 weeks to see our results. Thank you. Okay, we're back. After 9 days, we're ready to compare the bin with the Filtirite mineral and the one without. First, let's take a look at the food and the flowers in the bin without. The flowers have a little bit more deterioration. I know you can't smell, but they don't have the same fragrance as they used to. They don't smell quite as good as the flowers with Filtirite. But let's take a look at this food. As you can see, we have some severe mold growth on the strawberries. Berries will often be the first to decay. Our lettuce actually still looks okay after 9 days, a little bit of brown spots, and it's lost its crispiness. It's beginning to grow out of the middle. And our broccoli has totally lost its color and has some mold formation on it. This pear is totally ripe at this point. As you can see, I can insert my finger right into a ripe pear. This avocado, let's take a look. It's soft. It's got a little mold formation on the tip. And inside you can see it's pretty ripe. Okay, I made a mess. Now, let's compare that tray of food to the tray that contained the Filtirite in the lid. Now, I imagine these bins had some bacteria when we got started. That bacteria is not as present. The mold is not as present on this food as it is with the other. The strawberries have some slight mold and mildew growing on it. The flowers look a little bit fresher. They smell a little bit fresher. The broccoli still has some of its coloration after 9 days. And the lettuce, again, looks about the same. Some growth coming out the middle, less brown spots on it. But the pear is not ripe. I can put my finger in it, but it is not yet as soft and ripe as the other was. Let's take a look at the avocado. The avocado looks a little fresher, a little greener, and it's not as easy to squeeze, certainly. So I think you'll see that with these types of contaminants being removed from refrigeration, this evidence shows that with less moisture, less odor, acid, bacteria, mold and fungal spores, as well as ethylene gas. This is important. With the way that energy and food costs continue to rise, you can really not afford to have your refrigeration without Filtirite. Thank you.